Welcome to Reno. We're here. We're all checked in. Got our competition badges. The boys are unloading. I just parked the car. I'm gonna go help now. There they are. The guys. They're here. What do we think of this paddock?
This paddock? Paddock? Or
yeah,
paddock?
One yet.
Paddock.
That's
Paddock.
I love
Best
it.
one yet?
You get your designated square.
I do like the idea.
I love it. Just most centers aren't gonna be able to do this.
Yeah, not quite big enough.
They're properly utilizing the space that is allotted.
100%. It'll be way easier to get your balls and not have people throwing their bags away and taking your spot and stuff.
I have a feeling we picked the wrong side of the building for the first event.
We didn't get a choice.
We were told this area.
For real? Huh.
The people that are only going one event are down at the high end.
Hi, Norm.
Hello, everyone.
Oh,
That's not very nice.
yeah, that's not how you greet your friend.
We're in practice. We're at the High Sierra Bowl Lanes. Lanes Bowl? Bowl High Sierra Lanes?
Bowl the High Sierra Lane.
Bowl the High Sierra Lanes. Where we're gonna get some practice in.
Ready, guys?
That's not gonna help you today.
We're here to practice at the Grand Sierra. We bowled a couple of tournaments here in our days. Did you ever bowl a college tournament here?
Yeah. That was the one that John was high average.
I don't remember. They didn't have it very often.
Yeah, and then we bodied him at the next one at Grand Sierra.
Oh, that's right, that's right. Shot like 609 or something.
He averaged like 240 here, and then we gave him the
Gave him the work. Hey, Brad.
What up?
What's up?
Hey, thanks for hitting us up and seeing if we needed a ride, you know.
I didn't know you were coming.
You could have asked, like, hey, I think you guys should practice today. You want to come with us?
On top of that, we had like no room in the trunk.
Oh, now it's the no room thing.
Well, you know what? I was gonna ask if you guys needed a ride back, but now, you know.
I just screwed that one up.
You gonna be like that, Brad?
We're Ubering,
gonna be
Kyle.
like that, Brad?
Fucked it up for us.
You gonna be like
You
that?
could sit on my
I'll take
lap,
you back,
Brad.
Kyle.
I literally
I'll drive you back to the hotel.
I told him, I was like, no, we probably just call D. They might want to go practice today. Ah, just go Uber.
Whoa, you didn't even invite us to
can't throw me under the bus
practice.
like that. Come on,
You
bro.
didn't even invite us. You didn't even think of us, bro.
man.
Bro.
I'll own up to it.
I'll drive you guys back. I'll drive you guys back. You know, you ain't
You're a
salty
nice
like
guy.
that.
Mine feels like 102. I'm glad you got that on video. I barely got the 5.
You needed Optimus Solid. You needed Optimus Solid.
I would have 5.710 if I had that ball.
Okay, yeah, maybe.
Worst ball he's ever drilled. I think it's the highest count I've seen you get with that ball so far.
Nah, I was coming off a 4-bagger.
Didn't see it. Video or it didn't happen.
Well, well, well. How did we get here?
We're at a golf course.
Where are you on the left?
Big golf.
Big golf course. 45 minutes away from where we're staying. Quite far. But that's what was available. We got a match.
Yeah, time to go.
Mikey's giving me some strokes because he's better than me.
Me and Chris are playing straight up because we are very equally matched.
Yep.
We're playing for dinner.
Playing for dinner.
And we're also playing for 10.
To be
Match play.
determined. That's today.
They knew it.
The winds are blowing.
The wind's blowing, but we're out here. We're hitting them in forward directions. That's about it.
I think on path. Yeah, I hate to see that.
Hopefully,
How
Matt.
is that possible? Well, we got a little update on the bet. It's not going well for me. I'm down 3. We played like 6 holes, and it's just not. I'm just not good at golf. I keep losing balls on holes that I feel like I shouldn't be losing holes. I'm hitting decent shots. They're just not in the right direction. Playing for the wrong miss. I don't know when I miss, in what direction. My body is just not in tune with this game. So I bet Mikey dinner. I'm probably buying him dinner. I know it's early, but I'm down by a lot already, and frankly, I don't think he gave me enough strokes. He lost the first 2 times we bet, so I suppose it's probably evening out that the way it's going. Yeah, I don't know. I have a hard time with golf because I'm not as good at it as I am with bowling, and bowling frustrates me. And I think my expectations are just too high, especially when I start betting and things don't go well. It just gets to be a miserable time when it's not even close, especially when you miss 5-footers, 5 and less, to have the hole. It's just not a good time sometimes. You know, a lot of people I know would rather play golf than bowl, no matter what. I'm not the same. Right now, I'd rather be bowling. Luckily, I get to do that for the next 2 weeks.
Teeing off on the 18th. And it's a bomb.
Down to 2.
It's
To be fair, that is exactly where you were aiming.
Cool.
that was a bomb. Next up.
What was that pose?
The once we lose a ball pose,
The ankle swaggies.
you know what it is.
Golf's new attire right there.
You know,
With the AM97s.
Bang!
And it may end up in the same spot.
Yeah, that's
Oh, it bounced back in. All right. All right. We
Bounced
still got
back
3.
in, it never bounced
We
out.
still got 3.
Don't make me look bad. I crushed that.
Ah.
Absolutely hate golf. And I bet Chris. And Chris is playing extremely well today.
you need to.
Oh, here we go. He's holding it.
Yeah, why are the tee box facing the houses?
Chris with the 3 medal because he's just way too long for driver.
Why are they facing the house?
They are
Like,
kind of
I
facing
have to be
the-
straight with the tee boxes.
It's literally like dead at the houses.
Well, to be fair, this is like one giant tee box, and
And that ball is
That one might.
turning.
actually to the moon.
Hang on.
I don't get to hit this hole, I guess.
We're down to the last ball.
No,
This is the
I'll be
last
quick.
ball?
I'll be quick. No, I got one more after this.
Get that slow-mo impact.
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be dope. Definitely slow-mo. That
I
thing.
never saw
That
that
was
thing roll.
smacked.
Smacked
I think.
3 feet off the ground.
No.
Oh, for real?
It
Yeah.
probably hit about right there.
Oh,
Yeah, she was skipping off the ladies' tee box.
it looked cool from where I was.
It's a good layup.
All right, we have Dustin Johnson
Be me.
teeing off.
Just hit, jeez.
I don't want to aim at the fucking houses.
That's what we all did.
Yeah, you just gotta line up with the tee box and you'll hit a house.
And my ball turns the other way.
Absolutely smoked.
Might
No,
be a hole in one.
no idea where it went, but probably on the green.
Let's go towards the pin.
How's it feel?
Yeah, I mean, I'm coming out here trying to hit good shots, and
Get off the tee box.
yeah,
Yeah.
I mean. That's Chris's ball. Smoked it, but that's golf.
It's not what you want. It's okay, we have more.
This thing zooms so slow. It's in the hole,
Great shot.
guaranteed.
Well executed.
Thank you.
It's in the hole.
I mean, it might be. It might also be left of the green, but I mean, it was very well struck.
That's all that matters.
Yeah. So I mean, we're making good contact out here today. We're just trying to have some fun before the actual business
Before we
starts.
stop having fun.
Yeah. So we're just out here, big vibes right now.
hecklers.
Rick Ross.
It's well nipped.
Pushed it. And I took too much off. One less stroke you have to take. We're 10 holes in, Darren. How's it going?
I'm playing speed golf at this point, so as soon as we tee off, me and Kevin are gonna go. We're gonna get to our ball, hit, go, and
Because we're hitting that good, we just know it's going to be where it needs to be.
Yeah.
And there's been water every hole, and it's always on the left side of the fairway, and I just am sick of that. No, you don't know anything.
But
Yeah, if you want to tee off at the same time,
I promise you, hole
I gotta be
8.
on the other side.
Hole 8.
Golfers that hit together. I'm crushing this, so pay attention.
Not as tough.
All right, Darren.
All right. You guys set?
Oh, this feels bad.
3,
I'm gonna throw this club.
2, 1.
That's definitely the water.
I
don't know where it went.
I
Me
actually
neither.
thought I was gonna throw the club in the water.
Was it in the water? 1.
That is definitely.
Mikey's is in the water.
Cut back. How did I cut?
Are we all in the water?
Right, gentlemen.
Hello.
I'm feeling pretty good. Just came off a course record 62.
Yeah, it was pretty impressive to watch.
Yeah.
We only played 13 holes though.
It's like I think I shot about 54. Not bad.
I don't keep score because I'm a bad golfer.
We made it to our room. I conceded the round to Mikey. I owe him dinner.
You can see at the 8th hole.
I mean, we weren't gonna get all 18 in, and you were up by like 4, about to be 5 at that point. So
the hole you can see it was up 5.
it was kind of pointless.
What did we finish? Like 13? So you were like dormy? Got you dormy.
Yeah, I mean, I did win, I think 1 after that, but
Did
didn't
you?
make a difference.
I didn't even know we were playing.
Based on whatever we were making, I think I won. I made a par on 1 hole.
Wait, that was the one I putted with a wedge.
Same. We both put it with a wedge.
I didn't try the second time.
I didn't either.
I was just trying to make a bird.
Well, we're going to get Chinese food, I think, so
Beef chow fun.
we gotta find some boba. You owe me that.
I do.
Well, let's get into the vlog. We're signing out from Reno, day 1 of the USBC events. We start Masters practice session tomorrow. I guess technically today. The video's coming out today. Stay tuned for Masters vlog stuff. Hopefully the bowling gets better. All right.